Hello students, Jai Sonan. Welcome to BP Sonan Vidya Mandir. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 NCERT trains. Today we are going to complete remaining exercise of trains. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go ahead. First one is let's write. Describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken or would like to take. Write 4 sentences about your journey. You can use some of the following words and phrases. It means कि आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है, मतलब आपको बताना है कि इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेन और बस जर्नी आपने कभी ट्रेन और बस से ट्रैवलिंग किया होगा, राइट? और वुड लाइक टू टेक, और करना भी चाहते होगे. राइट 4 सेंटेंसेस अबाउट योर जर्नी. आपको आपके जर्नी के रिलेटेड 4 सेंटेंसेस लिखना है. यू कैन यूज सम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस. आपको क्या करना है, तो वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस यूज कर सकते हो. नीचे दिए जो वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस है वो यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. मैनी पीपल, क्राउडेड, tea stalls, then station, bus station, river, window, big and small trees, seat, then hills, ticket and loud whistle. So let's make one small paragraph and sentences. I went to the railway station with my father to go to Mumbai. There were many people at the railway station. There were crowded tea stalls at the station. We purchased the tickets and reached the platform next to the train in which we had to get in. We went inside the train and after some time it gave a long whistle. It left the station. I was sitting near the window. We crossed a big river. On the way, we crossed hundreds of big and small trees, hills, etc. It was a great journey. Okay, ऐसे आप सारे words और phrases use करके sentences बना सकते हो. Let's do the next one. Word building. Sort out this different means of transport into correct groups. One is done for you. हमें क्या करना है, different means of जो transport है, different types के transport, वो हमें sort out करना है. Let's do. Land means कि जो जमीन पे चलते हैं. Air means जो हवा में उड़ते हैं, right? और water transport means जो sea और river से हम transport करते हैं. So birds basically go to land, then car also by land, then aeroplane go by air, right? Sheep go by water, boat also go by water, then train go by land, bicycle also go by land. Then helicopter go by air, truck by land and steamer by water. Okay, so हमने sort out कर दिया, right? Next is second. Complete the sentence. Give me some. Like give me some to eat. Food or clothes. What we are eat. We are food or eat the clothes. We are eating food, right? So the correct answer is food. Give me some food to eat. Next. Play with me or drink. So play with me. Swim across the river or the boat. So the across the river, right? And let's get on the train or down. So answer is train. Okay, it's an exercise, totally you solve it. Next, paper phone. It's a very interesting activity you have to do at your home with the help of your parents. Okay, आपको ये activity करनी है. Now let's move. Crunch loud, then rise, take off and move around the room. Come down like a rocket and dance too. मतलब ये जो हम rocket बना रहे हैं इसे हमें घर में यूज करना है और देखना है वो कैसे मूव करता है. अप 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 इन द रॉकेट, अप विल गो, up in a rocket, away up high will go. Okay, next is say aloud, then mail, fail, down, on, planes and trains. Engine number 9, engine 8 number 9, when she's polished she will shine. Engine number 9, 10 will ride on the Shimla line. Okay, ये क्या था? Say aloud means once. Short and sweet poem. Okay, I hope so you all are enjoy this lecture and solve the all exercise and great fun. Thank you everyone. Jai Swaminarayan.